When style meets smart technology, magic happens, and that's exactly what crossed my mind when I first laid eyes on the Garmin Lily 2. As someone who's always struggled to find a smartwatch that doesn't scream tech gadget at formal occasions, this latest offering from Garmin immediately piqued my interest. After weeks of putting this elegant timepiece through its paces, from morning yoga sessions to business meetings, and everything in between, I've discovered there's much more to this watch than meets the eye. In a world where smartwatches often prioritize function over form, the Lily 2 dares to be different. It's a bold statement piece that challenges the notion that fitness trackers must look purely utilitarian. But can a fashion-forward smartwatch really deliver on the technical front? That's exactly what I set out to discover in this comprehensive review. The Lily 2 arrives as the successor to Garmin's original Lily, promising enhanced features while maintaining its predecessor's jewelry-inspired design philosophy. With an aluminum upgrade from plastic, new smart features, and improved health tracking capabilities, it's clear Garmin has ambitious plans for this petite powerhouse. Let's dive deep into what makes this watch tick, and whether it truly succeeds in bridging the gap between fashion and functionality. Design and build. The moment I unboxed the Garmin Lily 2, I was struck by its refined, jewelry-inspired aesthetic. At 35.4mm by 35.4mm and a mere 10.1mm in thickness, it presents an incredibly compact form factor that's particularly appealing for those with smaller wrists. The watch's 24.4 g weight makes it one of the lightest smartwatches I've tested, and honestly, there were times I forgot I was wearing it. The aluminum casing represents a significant upgrade from the original Lily's plastic construction, lending a more premium feel while maintaining durability. What truly sets this watch apart is its attention to style details. The Classic Edition comes with Italian leather bands and sophisticated tan or mulberry options, while the standard version features comfortable silicone straps. I particularly appreciate that Garmin has introduced quick-release bands with this generation, making it simple to swap between formal and casual looks. The metallic accents and subtle design elements make it look more like a piece of jewelry than a typical smartwatch, which is refreshing in a market dominated by tech-forward designs. Display and interface. The watch features a unique liquid crystal monochrome touchscreen display, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The decorative lens pattern adds an artistic touch when the display is inactive, creating an interesting visual element that draws compliments. However, I did notice some limitations during my testing. The display's brightness can be challenging in direct sunlight, and the monochrome nature of the screen, while aesthetically pleasing, sometimes makes quick information glancing less intuitive than color displays. The touch interface requires a bit of a learning curve. I found that swipes and taps sometimes needed to be more deliberate than on other touchscreen devices. The interface layout is clean and minimalist, with a simple menu structure that becomes second nature after a few days of use. The watch face options are tastefully designed, though I wish there were more customization options available. Features and functionality. The Lily 2 packs an impressive array of health and fitness features into its compact frame. During my testing, I explored all 18 sports profiles, and I found the tracking to be surprisingly comprehensive for a fashion-focused device. The running metrics, while basic compared to dedicated running watches, provided reliable pace and distance data when connected to my phone's GPS. The strength training mode impressed me with its rep-counting accuracy, though I noticed it occasionally missed some movements during complex exercises. The health monitoring capabilities are where this watch truly shines. The blood oxygen monitoring proved particularly useful for sleep analysis, while the stress tracking helped me identify patterns in my daily routine that were affecting my well-being. The body battery feature, which combines various metrics to estimate energy levels, became a valuable tool for planning my workouts and rest days. Sleep tracking. The sleep tracking capabilities of the Lily 2 represent a significant improvement over its predecessor. I found the on-device sleep data viewing particularly convenient for quick morning check-ins. The watch doesn't just track basic sleep duration, it provides nuanced insights into sleep phases, including light, deep, and REM sleep. The restlessness tracking proved especially enlightening, helping me identify patterns in my sleep disturbances. The sleep score feature has become one of my favorite tools for understanding my overall sleep quality. It considers various factors including duration, phases, and interruptions to provide a comprehensive assessment. The morning reports include useful recovery metrics that have helped me adjust my daily activities based on my sleep quality. Performance. In terms of performance, the Lily 2 delivers mixed results. The heart rate monitoring proved impressively accurate during my testing, consistently matching readings from my chest strap heart rate monitor within acceptable margins. The watch's ability to track stress levels and body battery energy monitoring provided valuable insights into my daily patterns and recovery needs. However, there are some notable limitations. The lack of built-in GPS means you'll need to carry your phone for accurate distance tracking during outdoor activities. While this might not be a deal-breaker for casual users, it's worth considering if you're serious about outdoor sports. The activity detection could be more robust. While it usually catches intentional workouts, it sometimes misses shorter walking sessions or light activities. Smart features and connectivity. The smart features of the Lily 2 strike a good balance between functionality and simplicity. The notification handling is smooth, with clear text display and easy message navigation. I particularly appreciate the weather updates and calendar alerts, which have proven invaluable for daily planning. The music controls, while basic, work reliably with various streaming services. The Garmin Pay feature, exclusive to the Classic model, has become surprisingly useful for quick payments during workouts or coffee runs. The connection to my smartphone has been stable, with minimal dropout issues. However, it's worth noting that unlike some competitors, there's no speaker or microphone for calls or voice assistant integration. Battery life and charging. Battery performance has been a standout feature in my testing. While Garmin claims 5 days of battery life, I've consistently achieved 5 to 7 days depending on my usage patterns. This includes continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and receiving notifications throughout the day. The charging system is efficient, typically requiring only about an hour to reach full capacity from empty. The battery management features are well thought out, with useful power-saving options and clear battery percentage indicators. I've found that even with intensive use, including multiple tracked workouts per week, the watch easily lasts through a typical work week without needing a recharge. Companion app and ecosystem. The Garmin Connect app serves as a comprehensive hub for all the data collected by the Lily 2. The app's depth is impressive, offering detailed insights into everything from workout metrics to stress patterns and sleep quality. The interface, while initially overwhelming with its wealth of data, becomes more navigable as you familiarize yourself with its layout. I particularly appreciate the women's health tracking features, which provide comprehensive menstrual cycle tracking and pregnancy monitoring options. The nutrition logging capabilities, while basic, integrate well with the overall health monitoring system. Price, value, and availability. The Lily 2 is positioned in the mid-range segment of the smartwatch market, with the standard edition priced at $249.99 and the classic edition at $279.99. Given its feature set and premium design, I find this pricing competitive, especially considering the quality of health tracking and the sophisticated aesthetic. The watch is widely available through Garmin's official channels and major retailers. The Classic Edition's higher price point is justified by the addition of Garmin Pay and the premium Italian leather bands. Both versions offer good value for users seeking a blend of style and functionality. Final thoughts. After extensive testing, I can confidently say the Garmin Lily 2 excels in its niche as a fashion-forward fitness tracker. It's not trying to be everything to everyone, and that's precisely its strength. For users who prioritize style while wanting comprehensive health tracking and basic smart features, it's an excellent choice. While it may not satisfy hardcore athletes or tech enthusiasts seeking advanced features, it serves its intended purpose admirably as a daily wellness companion that looks as good at a formal event as it does in the gym.